Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, a little bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I'm doing another little card trick for you now. What I'm doing here, I'm ripping down the cards a little bit here. So what I'll do is I won't look, but I'll just stop there. I'll stop like that, pull them up quick, boom, pull them out, and there we go. And then I'll put that on top there. And let me just straighten up my laptop a minute. And what that's done is that's generated that card there. So I'll just pull that card off down there a minute. That is your part of the prediction, right? I'm now going to find another card which is going to be my part of the prediction, and I will just place that down there like that, right? So I'll put those over there. I don't need those for a minute. So I'll now show you your card, yes, and that card there is what you've got to remember, but what you kind of need is a calculator. So if you're going to go grab a calculator now, I'll just keep on holding and talking for the minute. You might want to pause the video and then look for a calculator. Most phones have got a calculator. My iPhone's got a calculator on. If you've got a Samsung phone, they've probably got a calculator on. So just find that calculator option, click it open, and do the trick with me. Yeah. So that's your card there, the number, right? Forget the suit, forget the colour, it's the number, right? So that number, right, put that in your calculator. Now times that number by 2. By 2. So you times that by 2. That gives you a total. That total, now add 2 to that number, right? Add 2. That gives you another total, yeah? Now that total times by 5, right? So that's give you another total. You times it by 5, you've got another new total. And now you subtract, take away 7. Yeah, that's giving you a final figure. So leave that figure on your phone, look at that figure, right? Look at that figure, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that there was your card there. I'm going to pick out my card, and when I put the two together, you will say, OMG, that number plus that number is the number that's actually shown on your calculator. There's the first number, that's the second number. So you're thinking, how's he done that? How's he done that? Well, I won't even look at those cards because there was a scrambled up piece of paper there. I kind of thought, I know what it might be. And that's what I wrote down all along, the number 63. And that, my friends, is magic.